Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power on the ONN TV and grab the remote. Navigate directly to settings using the gear button or the home menu. Don't browse apps first. Once in settings, open network or connections so you can see the active SSID. Make sure you note the network name and any TV access code shown. This helps if you reconnect later. You're doing this to stop automatic streaming and updates, so stay in the network screen for the next step. Now, choose Network or Wi-Fi in Settings and select the currently connected SSID. Press the option that says Forget, Disconnect, or Remove. Different software uses different words, but the effect is the same. Confirm the choice when prompted. This deletes the saved credentials so the TV won't auto-join that router. Make sure the status updates to disconnected on the screen, and then back out of the menus to stop any background reconnection attempts before proceeding to final checks. Finish by restarting the TV. This clears temporary network cache and enforces the disconnect. If the TV reconnects automatically, go back and verify you chose Forget, then check the router for saved devices or MAC allow lists. You may also remove the network profile again or power cycle the router. If nothing works, a factory reset will remove all network info. Use that only as a last resort because you'll lose apps and settings. Troubleshooting tip: try another router to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.